It's your Bakalanya Get Dressed with me, girly. And for today, we are going to, what are we going to do today? Our agenda.
Okay.
Grabe. Ito, labing plemas.
Okay.
We're,
I-delete tuloy yun.
ano, we're going to have an early lunch with Tita Gladys and Uncle Pete. Uncle Pete and Manang Liza.
In the house.
Coming. They said that they're coming already. So yeah, we're done. And after our early lunch, we're gonna do
Okay.
very good. Kaya wala plem. Bye guys. I mean, we will update you later once we're traveling.
Coming na ko no.
Yeah, they're coming na. Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth na. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. So this is my fit. Ta-da! I'm so beautiful. Go, Uncle Pete.
Go ako, Pete.
Nagano kami ni Gab. Kay sad girl siya. Why did you choose that green Converse, Uncle Pete? I thought you like neutral colors.
Because they look cool in the shop.
Ah.
If they look cool in the shop, they look cool on my feet.
Pit goro.
Dugo ilong niyo daw. Gatalo. With
I have to speak to Pete myself, otherwise you're just gonna stare at us while eating manok.
Are you okay with that? Speak.
What will you say to Uncle Pete?
What will you say to Uncle Pete?
Speak.
Good morning. Ano ka-pressure? Dumaybe na dito.
Grabe. Lingit naman isa, kay puro langaw. Lani? CH open. Where the fuck? The Christmas tree kasi.
Let's go na. Hindi ni Bidjon eh. Na ano na yung Bidjon eh. Kay mga vlogger na lang kuya ni Sakon nga life. Uncle Peter, are you? Oh,
Yeah.
Vlogger lang kayo, sasabihin namin sa kapatid mo.
Isa ka chapso ito. Chicken.
Chicken manok. Sa diin sa katan eh. Uncle Pete.
Thank you, Uncle Pete.
Thank you, Uncle Pete. You're the best tito ever. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tita Gladys. You're the best among the rest. Bye-bye. Bye, Mimining.
Ay, hindi ko malang kaya. Ang fumes bala.
Dalaan mo ko mas. Uncle Pete, we will borrow Tita Gladys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Yes, we're going to the trip. Bungo ano? Trip store. Thank you, Uncle Pet. Din mo isaladi mo nga ano, gamit. Mga ukay mo. Tsura yun. Ambal binang. We're gonna make it full.
Ang tag 3 for 100 ha?
3 for 100 lang. Ready? So are you ready? What is your goal today?
You get 3 shorts.
What's your, how much is
3 for
your,
25. Budget is 100.
4 na nagani, oh. Karon na tadi tamera ta sa dalom. Damo. Wow. Wow. So this is so spacious. May bags ta. Wow. Wow. Levi's. Wow! Mag-15 ka pa dyan talaga. Ito nila yung grabe, nagid niya siya yakapet-pet short. Na ano na nito, na may super. Hello, namin. Gusto? Gusto? Ay, Levi's. Ay, Levi's. Levi's. Ganun ko ganun. Ay, Levi's. Eh, ko siya ng Levi's. Pisos. $100. Thank you po. Thank you. Sir, sir, hi na. Hi.
Nalipad ko sa tsura naman, puro ang kasiksiyan ang
Ay, grabe. Thank you so much, sir. Ha?
Kamu mga apat ha, Marilo.
Sexy kami tanan, sir. Okay, bye, sir. Yay! Fill in one spot. Hindi kasha. Bakit kay Gwyneth eh? Ano ba? Maburugo oh. Ayaw niya mag-anong. Hala. Hi guys. Mabayad.
Pakita ang short. Pakita ang short. Pakita ang short.
Mga nang listen. Grabe.
Pakita ang money.
Yan, 145. 35, 100. Yan na ito, sir. Ari din, 25. Wala na yun, sir. Hindi ko talaga. Kailan ito na, sir? Ha? 45. Thank you, sir. Tada! Tada! Into the bag. You will get two items already.
One more.
Oh, tipid-tipid.
Kahit rin. Sinigobla, tatlo lang ka short.
Grabe. Buta na sa kanya mo yung wagam
May wagam ba?
60 years old. Trip shopping.
Look at me.
Hindi sila 100 pesos. This side, Jollibee. So kami now we're we are here in our third spot. Ay, naman yung 60 years old. Ay, this is the famous Ukay-Ukay spot. Oh, no, ito yung entrance na na, oh. Di ka. Break! Picture! Wala. Picture! Hindi ko sa na itong fit. Naman yung mawapod ko ka mga tigulang. Picture! Picture ang fit! Nag-pera ko na. Nag-fit, ano mo yung mga nag-fit, i-expose mo. Okay? Front, it lang kanya-kanya model ha. Front, side, back, ay, mga kandidata. Side, okay, and front again. Okay, nagano ka ganan? Nakatla sa tapos sa takabit siya. Bayo break. Takat lang. Ang mali ko ba? Kasi ginimot tandi. Let's go. Laka namin. Nasang bago nga eh. Wala na ang mga kinemi. Nasapon lang ko. Nasalod lang ko. Namin. Salod. Thank you, sir. You're the owner? You are the owner! Hala! 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 Para bang mama mo ako. Ang sala yan. Okay, done. This is mine. 3 for 100. How about yours? Grabe na ganyan. 100. Talaga grabe ba?
Budget ba lang
100. Dala ako niya saktuhan. Dito 100 yan.
May short ka pa ito ba lang kapag 5?
Ano? 100.
Financer. Jen. Dali ka tayo, pakita sila yung mga basta. Para ba? Ako makagala naman ka. Di kita po, negate. Ay, sakit. Batang negate. Ako madala. Ikaw dala sa mani. Ako madala sa mani. Ako na naman madala sa bag na ako. Hindi mo yan lang ang mani tayo. Hindi ako. Ako lang madala. Parang isa na lang. Lidan! What's your thrift shopping experience, Miss Ma'am?
It was to die for.
Today,
Very, very expensive.
did
I
you?
spent
How much did you spend?
200 pesos for 6 items.
200 pesos. How about you? How was your okay experience
I'm
today?
happy because
English kita
I have my sponsor. Thank you, Tita. So I spent 4, 5, 6, 700 pesos.
All in all,
All in all.
with the shorts,
The
the other shorts to the
Your
other.
other short in your shorts.
We just for 25 pesos lang to amon. How was your okay experience, Miss Ma'am? And then, and then, ha? Wala na show si Muchura. We're now here at the Cafe Bob's. The original Cafe Bob's. That is just located here in Bacolod City. So if you want to come here in Bacolod City, you should try Cafe Bob's. Right. How was it? Is it a pure or is it a pure mango shake or a juice, a powder one?
No, it's a proper mango fruit. It's not ice cream or anything. It's a proper shake.
Tres leches blueberry cheesecake. Ako man
Thank you, Jera, for the treat. Thank you, Tita. Hindi niya, ano lang yan, hindi.
Okay, so I'm on my way to fix my piercing. Naman ko di mo, sa dasan mapa-piercing na ka din. Lintian, gining bata nga ini. Nagabi ka foggy naman sa Android na ito.
Pagpasok lang, ibalik ko lang yan.
Mother, sige. Mama.
The first time, doon mo matuog lang. Gina lang, di ba?
Ang yellow pa siya to.
Nilo pa na yun. As in, nilo.
Tapos na.
Yes, malaki.
Hindi, mama. Naman. Kasi tama lang kay mother kung Doc.
Magalisin siya ka na madaan. Lisensyado na madaan ka sa dila. Para hindi siya mag...
Okay, super makapit. Aray. Aragay. Ay, ginusto mo ni. Ginusto mo ni. Pula naman siya. Aray. Sakit. Kasakit. Okay, so pabalik na ako kay Latita sa box. Okay. Cafe Bob's products. Ta-da! Ta-da! The menu.
We're at the escalator.
Yeah, bye-bye. We're almost there. I am with the kids.
Elmo was on the
We're gonna get the fries. This mall is,
I went here.
the mall has a lot of people right now today.
Yeah, because
Right?
I went to that over here. I went here.
Okay. Ay, come here, come here. Sad that it's 5 minutes from now. Are you excited? Good.
Guys, we're here at SM and we are going to Cafe Bob's and we got some potato corners.
Yay! Run, 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 run.
We're going to Cafe Bob's.
Yay!
We got the potato corner.
Stop, stop.
Ah!
Hindi na sila ah. We're gonna go home. We're done ukay-ukay. We're done lunch. We're done breakfast. We're done. Ay, dito kami yan? Oo, sa likod lang eh. Nas! Bata ba na? We're gonna go home now. Yan si Kenji. Na ba si Kenji? Ay, alam. Kenji, nagutot ka? Dumay nagutot. Ikaw nagutot? Kenji, sino nagutot? Nagutot ka, ganda, ay! Ala! Sorting out our thrift shopping. How much? Tadan!